look around you. Look at your city. Look at the sky. Look what it is, and think what it could be. Check it. Seeking paradise, high temperature Fahrenheit. I could take you from the ocean up to the most barren heights. The city's looking different underneath these glaring lights. Won't say it twice, I keep it rolling like a paradise. Keep lacing flows up every night just like a pair of knives. So when I spit you just can't stand there motionless and paralyzed. I hear the screams and feel the stares, a million pairs of eyes. My dream is not just to become a millionaire and die. Life is short, it's passing you by in the blink of it. Eyes truth, she's a bitch, she don't care what you think of her. Look in her direction, walking past them Henry Winkler. Cooler than a sprinkler, offer to buy a drink for her. I try to stay in sync with her. Even when she hates me, I've been right there on the brink with her. I think we going crazy, but I never let it faze me. We just working toward improvement. This could be paradise if only everybody knew it.